started here tonight in the state of Texas. It is going to be the first ever meeting in competitive play between these two teams. And of course, the way it looks in Group B appears like this. Chance for Haiti and Qatar to take the first steps of both teams here. And we can't wait to kick this off. Again, Mexico and Honduras will follow, but there's a big game before that. The first ever competitive. It is Franz Di Perio, lone striker up top. Tari and Yusuf Abdurizag. Qatar, many of the players from that off for Qatar going from right to left. And we are off and running. Our second time at the Gold Cup, both times as guests. And they nearly got to the final in 2021. Lost by a Justice. Does well there to get his head to it, and now maybe a chance at the other end for Franz Di Perio. He's taken down, and it's an early yellow card that comes out here. In by Pico. Oh, it does bundle around, and there was an infraction in there. Haiti thought there might have been a hand from a Qatari defender. It didn't come. It's a free kick to Qatar. Shihata tries to size it up. He lays it off. Pass across is deflected out of play. It is a corner. Maham Ahmed, crucial block, ended up coming in on that volley, but now Ahmed's ball in. Al-Rawi sizes up a chance. Ends up going for a goal in the end. It bounces to Pierre. Good build-up play from Carlos Carrios' side here in February of this year with this tournament in mind. Decisions, there's no question about that. Just headed forward centrally as Perio trying to control it. And if Qatari players stay down here, referee says it's a head injury, potential to win the Gold Cup. Haiti are on the attack again here. It's chested into space initially by Nazon. And Qatar get back in time. It goes out of play for a corner. It's flicked onto a dangerous area, and the shot is blocked. The rebound follow. Arcus is sent over the top. Well, that was a real chance for Fafa Pico. Here he takes the first aim. Pierre didn't quite get that right. Second time of asking, he still doesn't get it, and it goes in. Qatar strike first. And it is Yusuf Abdurizag who gives them the lead inside of 20 minutes. Chance to recycle it. It's sent back in. It's headed down into a dangerous area. Barsham is there with Etienne Jr. and Pico in pursuit. Well, it's a lovely little flick. Qatar in elite company in that semi-final discussion. No mistake about that. That is whipped in. Oh, it's flicked on towards the back post. It's volleyed. And it's volleyed over the top in the end by Ahmed. Homam Ahmed gets a really good opportunity here. Cruz with a push and a chase. Great ball across! And the chance is sent over the top by Derek Etienne Jr. More promise from Haiti. Great skill from Carlins Arcus. Pico up ahead. Perio controls it. His cross into the middle is blocked. It is a penalty. Arm was outstretched. There was no hesitation from Daniel Parchman. He pointed immediately to the spot. Cut. Duckins Nazon for Haiti. He scores. Cool, calm, and collected from the penalty spot. Haiti are level in first half stoppage time. Duckins Nazon scores his 8th CONCACAF Gold Cup. The ball back once more. It's lovely skill by Saints. He's brought down, and it's a Haiti free kick. The North Texas, but it's Alcius who strikes it, and he sends it over the top. Well, he tried for some Yusuf a dirty song, but Dawkins Nazon with his 8 in behind here, and Haiti trying to put some pressure on. It's a push and a chase from Etienne Jr. He is fouled. It is a free. Pico's ball in. It's up for grabs. Leads to nothing on this occasion, and Qatar look to regain their lead. Challenge comes in there from Carl Saint. Free kick for Qatar. Yellow card. He's into the middle. Falls for Derek Etienne Jr. and it's off the post. Dawkins Nazon tries to cross it back into the middle. It is blocked out of play for a throw. What a chance for Derek Etienne Jr. Fafa Pico with a push and a chase. He accelerates further down the. Shahata surging forward. Cross into the middle. It's a second opportunity. He rolls 3-0. Now Etienne Jr. Lovely ball in behind. Referee blows his whistle. And I believe he's pointed to the spot here. It's a penalty. I think the initial has it. Look at this. It's Ade. Right at the goalkeeper, Barsham. Didn't have to move too far either. Forward, Nazon. Has Perio in the middle. Nazon tries to numbers up here. Al Abdullah, the substitute, goes down. Referee has a look at it. Oh, he's going to go the other way here. He's going to say this is a dive simulation. Qatar are protesting that this up his mind here. It is going to stay at Etienne Jr. He's so active in this game. Wins a free kick for the Haitians here. Then Abdurissa could be in behind here for Qatar! And he stings the outside of the post. Scoring in the first half and nearly giving Qatar the lead. Maybe a hint of offside there as well. It might not have played in behind. Derek Etienne Jr. Early ball in. Abdurissaq's cross into the middle. It could fall for a chance. And the volley is sent wide of the goal by Mustafa Majal. Sliding it through, it's a gorgeous ball. Etienne Jr. slides it wide of the post. Another big chance. Chance maybe for Antoine to get in behind. He is in, and the ball is in the back of the net. Franz Di Perio looks to have won it for Haiti in stoppage time. Haiti have come from 1-0 down. They're 2-1 up, deep into injury time.
স্থির বস্তুকে ধাক্কা না দেওয়া পর্যন্ত সেটা নিজে থেকে নড়ে না, স্থির থেকে যায়। দ্বিতীয় অংশটি নিয়ে সমস্যা, কারণ আমরা কখনোই কোনো চলন্ত বস্তুকে অনন্তকাল চলতে দেখি না। ধাক্কা দিয়ে কোনো বস্তুকে গতিশীল করে ছেড়ে দিলে ও দেখা যায় কোনো বল প্রয়োগ না করলেই শেষ পর্যন্ত বস্তুটা থেমে যায়। আমরা দৈনন্দিন